हॅलो.
Yes, ma'am.
हा आवाज येतोय?
Yes, ma'am.
हॅलो. हा.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible to you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Okay. So you have write down this section 1 or are you taken the screenshots?
Taken the screenshot, ma'am.
Okay. So in section 1 we have to deal with these 3 chapters: linear differential equations with constant coefficients. Second one is Z transform. Third one is Laplace transform. Okay. And section 2 is, and in section 2 we have to deal with Fourier series, statistics and probability, and Quine theory. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So here we are going to see the definition of differential equation. A differential equation is an equation that relates one or more functions and their derivative. Okay. This is one of the mathematical definition of differential equation, or we can simply define an equation which contains term of derivative is nothing but differential equation. Term of derivative means
In the form of dy by dx.
Right, you are right. dy by dx or d2y by dx square or any power of derivative. किंवा what we say? डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन असंच म्हणणार का? जर एखादं इक्वेशन dy by dx कंटेन करत असेल तरच डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन होईल का?
No, ma'am. dx by dy is a differential equation.
Means any order of derivative, right? An equation which contain term of derivative of any order, that is nothing but differential equation. Okay. In differential equation we write dy by dx. Okay, right? बरोबर ना? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
हा,
ma'am.
कंटाळा आला का?
No, ma'am.
Right? लास्ट लेक्चर आहे सो का असं काही नाहीये?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
ओके. तुमच्यापैकी किती जणांना मराठी अजिबातच कळत नाही असं कोणी आहे?
एक जण आहे मॅम फक्त.
फक्त एक जण आहे की त्यांना मराठी अजिबात कळत नाही.
आउट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र आहे ना.
म्हणजे आपण ट्राय करू 90% तरी इंग्लिश मधूनच, पण थोडंफार बोललं तरी चालेल ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have seen the definition of differential equation, then types of differential equation. Okay. First is ordinary differential equation and second is partial differential equation. Okay. So what is mean by ordinary differential equation? So we will see the definition. And differential equation which involve function of only one independent variable and their derivative is known as ordinary differential equation. Okay. Means what? In differential equation there are two variables, right? We usually denote differential equation by dy by dx plus y, right? Right or wrong?
Right.
So here what we say, our y is changes with respect to x, right? dy by dx, we denote the term of derivative in the form of dy by dx, right?
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So definition of ordinary differential equation is a differential equation which involves function of only one independent variable and their derivative is known as ordinary differential equation. One independent variable and one dependent variable means what? Y is our independent variable and X is our what? बरोबर आहे मी जे सांगते ते?
Yes, ma'am.
बरोबर आहे. आणखी एकदा विचार करा. dy by dx
No,
लिहितो
ma'am.
आपण.
Y is dependent, X is independent.
अजून एकदा सांगा. आणखी कोणी सांगेल? आपण dy by dx लिहितो, राइट? चेंज इन y with respect to change in x लिहितो ना? y बदलतोय आपला x सोबत,
Yes, ma'am.
राइट? We write dy by dx. dy is nothing but change in y, right? dx is nothing
Yes,
but
ma'am.
change in x. Okay. What we say derivative of y with respect to x असं म्हणतो ना dy by dx लिहिल्यावरती. बरोबर ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
मग y मध्ये चेंज कोणासोबत होत आहे?
X सोबत.
मग आता सांगा डिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल कुठला, इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल कुठला?
Ma'am,
Y
y
is
dependent and
Y
X
is
is independent.
independent.
ओके, राईट. सो डेफिनेशन लक्षात आली ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनची?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तुमच्यापैकीच एक जण सांगा डेफिनेशन, मला ऐकायला आवडेल. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन? वाचून दाखवायचंय फक्त.
Differential equation which involves a function of only one independent variable and their derivatives is known as ordinary differential equation.
Okay. So another type of differential equation is partial differential equation. Okay. Now we will see the definition of partial differential equation. So a differential equation which involve function of two or more independent variables and their partial derivative is known as partial differential equation. Okay. आणखी एकदा वाचा, रिपीट डेफिनेशन तुमचं तुम्ही. Partial differential equation, a differential equation which involves function of two or more independent variables and their partial derivatives is known as partial differential equation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
तर फर्स्ट ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन मध्ये आपल्याकडे एक्स आणि वाय दोन व्हेरिएबल होते. ओके. इन पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन इफ वी हैव 3 or 4 variables x, y, z. ओके. पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कशाने डिनोट करतात?
Do.
ओके. डो किंवा डेल्टा किंवा डॅबा. तुम्हाला काय कन्व्हिनियंट वाटेल? डो,
Delta.
डेल्टा. ओके, ठीक आहे. तुम्ही प्रत्येकाच्या जणे सेकंड इयरला डो यूज केला असेल, डॅबा यूज केला असेल किंवा डेल्टा यूज केला असेल. ओके. सो डो एक्स बाय डो झेड, डो वाय बाय डो झेड असं जर आपण लिहिलं, काय आता कुठला टर्म सांगितला? डो एक्स बाय डो झेड. ऐकायला येतंय ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. सपोज डो एक्स बाय डो झेड, डो वाय बाय डो झेड. तर याच्यामध्ये डिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल कुठला आणि इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल कुठला?
X and Y dependent है, Z independent है.
Okay. So we can say that in partial differential equation there are two or more dependent variables or independent variables.
Independent variable.
And one
Independent variable.
Non-dependent variable.
right.
Dependent variable.
Okay. तर तुम्हाला ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन अँड पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन मधला डिफरन्स समजला?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कोण आहे की त्याला मराठी समजत नाहीये? Can you please speak? Are you getting me? Hello? Are you getting me? Here I would give you example from which you can get idea about ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. Okay. Hello.
Ma'am.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you are very familiar with the term derivative, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
there are
Yes,
two types
ma'am.
of derivative, ordinary derivative and partial derivative.
Partial
Okay. Here we are dealing with ordinary differential equation, right? What we have seen in ordinary differential, there are one dependent variable and one independent variable and relation between their derivatives. Okay. If we have taken example of our tap and water, okay, as we increase the speed of tap, the flow of water will increase or decrease?
Increase.
What? If we increase the speed of our tap, then speed of water will increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase.
Okay, means change in the position of tap leads to the change in the flow of water. Okay.
हेलो मैम।
हाँ
मैम अभी आपने नाम लिया था मेरा, मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया।
Sorry?
I got disconnected because of my internet issue, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello.
ma'am. I'm Sakib,
Huh?
ma'am. Sakib speaking, ma'am.
I am not audible to you. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Huh?
Yeah, ma'am. I am Sakib, ma'am. Sakib speaking.
Okay.
नहीं, अभी नाम लिया था मैम आपने मेरा शायद।
हाँ वही actually I was speaking in Marathi, so I was asking are you getting me or not? I will try to explain all the things in English, but sometimes I will use the word Marathi, so I am asking, are you comfortable?
Actually ma'am, I don't know Marathi at all. That's the reason
Okay,
that
I will try to explain all the things in English. Okay, if you have any difficulty, you can ask anytime. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks.
Okay. So we were discussing the example of tap and water. So if we consider tap as X variable and water as, or flow of water as Y variable. Okay. So what we will see, change in position of tap increase the flow of water. Okay. If we decrease the or what we say, आपण पाण्या नळाचं बंद केलं तर काय होईल? फ्लो ऑफ वॉटर विल
Decreases.
हा म्हणजे काय, चेंज इन टॅप पोझिशन लीड्स टू चेंज इन वॉटर. सो हियर which concept is related? Here X is one variable, Y is one variable. When we made changes in our X, then what we see, change in Y variable. Okay. So in definition of ordinary differential equation, what we have given, there are two variables. One is independent variable and another is what?
Dependent.
Variable.
In short, तुम्हाला example समजलं का? दोन variable आहेत. हाँ? समजलं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. आता याच्यानंतर partial differential equation. Okay. Thermometer माहिती तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना? Do you know thermometer?
Yes, ma'am.
What it indicates?
Yes.
Temperature.
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 Temperature. Okay. So now I am going to explain the term partial differential equation. Okay, thermometer indicates temperature. In the morning, what will be the temperature? Means thermometer indicates the temperature in the morning, afternoon and evening. All the temperatures will be same or different?
Different.
Different, ma'am.
Different one.
Okay. Suppose in morning's temperature, we will say as X, okay? In afternoon's temperature, we denote as Y. And in evening's temperature shown by thermometer, we are going to denote by Z. Okay. हे X, Y, Z काय झाले आपले? व्हेरिएबल झाले. ओके. आणि थर्मामीटरला जर आपण समजा U इंडिकेट केला आपण U नी. ओके. तर आपण लिहू शकतो ना थर्मामीटरचं सकाळचं टेम्परेचर वेगळं आहे, दुपारचं वेगळं आहे आणि संध्याकाळचं वेगळं आहे. पण थर्मामीटर हा काय आपला कॉन्स्टंट टर्म आहे. ठीक आहे. आपण पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन मध्ये काय बघितलं आपण? Partial differential equation ची definition.
There are two or more variables are present, independent variables.
Okay, and thermometerचं एक्झाम्पल सांगताना काय सांगितलं?
There are three temperature variable depends upon temperature.
म्हणजे इन शॉर्ट पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन मध्ये आपण काय म्हणणार आहे? दोन किंवा दोन पेक्षा जास्त इंडिपेंडेंट व्हेरिएबल असणार आहेत आणि एक काय असणार आहे? डिपेंडंट. सो थर्मामीटरचं एक्झाम्पल काय असणार आहे? इन मॉर्निंग, इन आफ्टरनून, इन इव्हिनिंग टेम्परेचर जरी डिफरंट असतील बट ते कशावरती डिपेंड असणार आहे? थर्मामीटर वरती ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
समजलं डेफिनेशन आणि एक्झाम्पल?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we have seen, differential equation, then
There are types
of differential equation. Okay, so what we have seen, the definition of differential equation is definition of differential equation is
function
contains. What do you mean by differential equation?
equation
we have
contains
equation
one or
which-
more function and their derivative.
Okay. Or another definition which I have told. An equation which contains term of derivative is nothing but differential equation. Then types of differential equation. First one is
Ordinary.
Ordinary.
okay, and definition of ordinary differential equation is
differential equation which involves function of only one independent variable and their derivative is known as ordinary differential equation.
okay, and another type of differential equation is partial
Partial.
differential equation. Okay, and definition of partial differential equation is
Differential equation which involves a function of two or more independent variable and their partial derivative is known as partial differential equation.
okay, very good. So another is linear differential equation. Here we are actually dealing with our syllabus. Okay, what is our first chapter's name?
Linear differential equation with constant coefficient.
Okay, our first chapter is linear differential equation with constant coefficient. So another type of differential equation is linear differential equation. Okay, you are noting the definition or just taking screenshots?
Noting, ma'am.
Okay, so everybody has to note. Screenshots will be deleted, but whatever you have written will definitely fit in your mind. Okay,
Yes,
which is
ma'am.
useful in your exam also. And another I am repeating, don't take applied mathematics easily. Okay, it is one
Yes,
of
ma'am.
important subject with your core subjects. So here we are going to see the definition of linear differential equation. Okay. Linear differential equations are the differential equations in which dependent variable and its derivative occur only in the first degree and are not multiplied together. Okay. Linear differential equation is nothing but a differential equation in which dependent variable and its derivative. Here dependent variable is which is dependent variable?
Y.
Okay, so dy by dx. Dependent variable and its derivative is nothing but dy by dx. Okay. Occurs only in the first degree and are not multiplied together. What they want to say, if our differential equation contains dy by dx or d2y by dx square. First degree means what? What dy by dx काय है?
फर्स्ट डिग्री
First degree.
डेरिवेटिव है. d2y by dx square काय है?
सेकंड ऑर्डर
Second order derivative. d3y upon dx raised to 3.
थर्ड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव
Third order derivative.
Okay, if I say dy by dx, I have written in bracket raised to 2. So what we can say? dy
First
by,
order derivative with degree 2.
right, very good. Then d2y by dx square raised to 4.
Second order derivative with degree 4.
So what in definition is given? Our derivative occurs only in the first degree. Okay, means what? Whatever our equation will be, that only contains the term dy by dx, d2y by dx square, d3y by dx cube up to what? Generalize केलं तर nth order पर्यंत.
Yes, ma'am.
What? काय लिहाल तुम्ही? If I have generalized our derivative up to nth order, second order derivative कसं लिहाल?
d2y by dx square.
D2y
तर
by dx.
nth order derivative कसं लिहाल मग?
dny by dx raised to n.
dn by dx.
Right, right. Okay. If I have, okay, now listen. If I write dy by dx into dy by dx, then what will it become?
d square y upon dx square.
No, dy by dx into dy by dx.
dy by
First order
dx by dx bracket square.
Bracket square.
Very good. So what we have given, our derivative occurs only in first degree and are not multiplied. What? Are not multiplied together. Okay, if I write d2y by dx square into d2y by dx square, then what it will become?
d2y by dx
D2
square.
bracket square.
Okay, are you getting me? What we have
Yes,
not
ma'am.
to? Okay, so you understand the definition of linear differential equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So linear differential equations are the differential equations in which the dependent variable and its derivative occurs only in the first degree and are not multiplied together. Okay. Next is linear differential equations with constant coefficients. Here, linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Do you know the standard form of linear differential equation? You have already dealt in second year. dy by
We are in
dx.
second year, ma'am.
Huh? Hello? Hello?
Plus py is equal to q.
Very good. The standard form of linear differential equation is dy by dx plus px, right? Or py?
py ma'am.
Is
Py.
equal to q.
Q.
But in this chapter or in this our paper, we have to deal with linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Okay. So standard form is a0 d raised to ny divided by dx raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus y divided by dx raised to n minus 1 plus and so on an minus 1 dy by dx plus any is equal to f of x. What we are seeing, that is linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Here a0, a1, another term का असेल a0 dny raised to dx raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus y divided by dx raised to n minus 1 plus a2 चा coefficient काय असेल इथं d raised to
n minus 2.
n minus 2y divided by dx raised to
n minus 2.
Okay. This is the standard form of linear differential equation with constant coefficient of order.
Nth order.
Okay. Already we have seen the definition of linear differential equation. So here we have seen d raised to ny divided by dx raised to n.
Order 1.
Order किती? Order का degree?
Degree 1 ma'am.
Order 1 का degree 1?
Degree 1 ma'am.
Degree 1 and order n.
Right. So d raised to ny divided by dx raised to n. This is our nth order derivative and degree of this is
1.
So definition satisfy होती है आपल्या linear differential equation ची?
Yes.
So here is d raised to n minus 1y divided by dx raised to n. This is which order derivative?
n minus 1.
n minus 1 order derivative and degree is
1.
1. So ठीक है, standard form लक्षात राहील linear differential equation.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. a0 d raised to ny divided by dx raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus y divided by dx raised to n minus 1 plus so on an minus 1 dy by dx plus any is equal to f of x. Okay, where a0, a1, an minus 1 and an are constant. ठीक है? So in this lecture we have just seen what is differential equation and types of okay, the main things are going, all the main things or main what content is going to start tomorrow. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. हा, वन मोर थिंग, तुमच्यापैकी कुणाला काहीही प्रॉब्लेम असेल, इवन कन्सेप्ट समजत नसेल, क्वेश्चन विचारा. ठीक आहे? ठीक आहे?
Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
समजलंय म्हणून पुढे जाऊ नका किंवा ऑनलाईन आहे म्हणून स्क्रीनशॉट घेऊन फक्त स्क्रीनशॉटची लिस्ट वाढवू नका. ओके? ऑनेस्टली कधीही काही प्रॉब्लेम असू द्या, आय विल बी देअर. ओके?
Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
अटेंडन्स ए डिव्हिजन ची झाली ना
मॅम?
हा,
8:30 प्रेझेंट आहे, मी लेट जॉईन झाले.
रोल नंबर
30.
30.
हा 30.
ओके ओके ठीक आहे
मॅम 8:21 पण प्रेझेंट.
ओके.
3 present.
A9.
A38.
A53.
मॅम A27. A28 मॅम. A09.
हॅलो,
Yes ma'am.
बी डिव्हिजन चे रोल कॉल करा. अटेंडन्स द्या. बी डिव्हिजन चे Wait.
रूम मध्ये जास्त फॅन
B01. B01.
प्रेझेंट मॅम
B02.
Present, ma'am.
B03.
प्रेझेंट मॅम
B04.
प्रेझेंट मॅम
B05. B05. B06.
प्रेझेंट मॅम
B07.
प्रेझेंट मॅम
B08.
येस मॅम
B09.
प्रेझेंट मॅम
B010.
येस मॅम
B11.
प्रेझेंट मॅम
B12. B13.
प्रेझेंट मॅम
B14.
येस मॅम
B15.
येस मॅम
B16.
प्रेझेंट मॅम
B17. B18.
प्रेझेंट मॅम
B19.
Present, ma'am.
B20.
प्रेझेंट
B21.
येस मॅम
B22. B22. B23. B24.
प्रेझेंट मॅम
B25.
येस मॅम
B26.
प्रेझेंट मॅम
B27. B28. B29. B30.
Yes, ma'am.
B31. B32.
Yes, ma'am.
B33.
Present, ma'am.
B34. 35. 35. B35.
Present, ma'am.
B36.
Present, ma'am.
B37. B37. B38.
Present, ma'am.
B39.
Present, ma'am.
B40. B40. 41. 42. B42.
Present, ma'am.
B43. B43. B44. B45.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. B46. B47.
Present, ma'am.
48. 49.
Present, ma'am.
50.
Present.
51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. B56. B56. B57. B58.
Present, ma'am.
B59. B60. B61.
Present, ma'am.
B62.
Present, ma'am.
63.
Present, ma'am.
64.
Present, ma'am.
64. हाँ 65.
Present, ma'am.
66. 67.
66 present, ma'am.
67. 67. B67. B68.
Yes, ma'am.
B69.
Yes, ma'am.
B70. B70. B71. B72. संपले का सर? B72.
Yes, ma'am.
B73.
झालं मॅडम.
Okay, okay.